Hey everybody, my name is Kelly Fulcher and I will be your child's third grade teacher this year. I am so excited. I know that this isn't a normal school year, but we're going to make the best of it. So here's a little bit about me. This is all on my website, but I'll go over it briefly. So I'm from New Bern, North Carolina. I graduated from East Carolina University. This is my 6th year teaching. I've taught first grade, fourth grade, and this is my 2nd year here at Wrightsboro teaching 3rd grade. So we're going to go over a few things. First of all, if our school does not have your most recent contact information, please make sure to send me that. If your cell phone number changed or anything like that, we need to be able to get up with you in the most direct way. So please make sure you send me any updated numbers or if they change any time of the year. The best way to reach me is through Class Dojo. I have sent login information in the student bags that you will pick up for Dojo. Some helpful tips. I post most of information that's not personal to 1 or 2 students on the class story, so make sure you check that often. And if you turn your notifications on, it'll send it directly to your phone. You can get live updates, so that would be really helpful. My office hours will be from 11:15 to 12:45. That is the time that I will respond to any questions you have, or if your child needs help with an assignment or anything like that, I will be able to respond then. We can set up a Zoom meeting. I can call you, anything like that from 11:15 to 12:45. We will be using Seesaw as our learning platform. Your child should be familiar with Seesaw because when we started online learning in March, 2nd grade used Seesaw. All assignments, lessons, and feedback will be posted there, so make sure that your child checks that and completes those assignments and watches those lessons. All of that login information will be provided in the folder that will be in the student bags you'll pick up. You can pick up those bags and a device if you need it on Thursday, August 13th from 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. or Friday, August 14th from 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. If you need a device, please make sure that you fill out the survey first, and you can find that on the Wrightsboro page. In the top left-hand corner, if you click on this, it takes you to the Google form to fill out. And when you come, please make sure you enter through Sheridan Drive. In those bags, there will be a folder. There's a whole bunch of login information in there, how to access Class Dojo, Epic, Seesaw, Zern, all of that information with usernames and passwords. There's also 2 pencils in these folders. And then in the student bags, we have provided a whiteboard. It has a white side and a red side. We have an eraser, a dry erase marker, and counters to use. Please make sure that students have that, especially during their live lessons. I also have provided a pack of paper for your child to work out any problems that they need to. So all that will be in the bags that you can pick up on Thursday or Friday. Here is our live lesson schedule. This is when students are expected to be on Zoom in the morning for direct instruction, and that is from 8:30 to 10. We'll have our reading, writing, and math lessons. The Zoom link will be posted here and on Seesaw and on Class Dojo so your child can access it. It is very important for them to be on because that is when we are doing direct instruction. If you go on my website, which you can access through the Wrightsboro page, and click on Faculty and Staff, scroll down to 3rd grade, and click on my name. You'll find my contact information. There's the About Me section, and here is the rest of the schedule. So from 8:30 to 10 we'll be live on Zoom, and then the rest of the day I will have lessons posted, reading and writing assignments, math assignments, science, social studies assignments. They'll have specials. We're running just as much like a regular school day as we possibly can. And while we're here, If I have any announcements, I'll post them here, and here are all the links to the websites that your child will need to access. Like I said, it is very important for your child to be on the live lesson. I know that there's different circumstances that we can work around, but if at all possible, please try to have them on from 8:30 to 10, and to complete those assignments that will be posted in Seesaw. Attendance will be taken daily, and grades will be taken as well. I don't have any more information on grading at this time, but when I get that information, I will definitely let you know. So we know that this isn't the most ideal situation, but if we work together, we can definitely make the best of it. I'm trying to stay very positive, and I hope you are too. I would love to work as a team between me and all the parents and all the students, so we can get your child the best educational experience that we can. Again, I cannot wait to see their faces in person, but even just to see them on Zoom. We will start lessons on Monday morning, August 17th at 8:30. So I cannot wait to see your child on Zoom. As always, if you have any questions, please contact me on Class Dojo. I will respond in a timely manner, and we can get everything worked out. It was great meeting you guys, and I hope that we can stay positive and enjoy this experience as much as we can.